Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today is the 20th of April and today we had a very troublesome sideways market. I had positions written on puts and calls within this area, and the way the market was just going zigzag throughout the day, I don't know, it was expanding and then falling and expanding and falling. So all the intraday traders who thought of taking positions for a straddle either got hit on the upside or the downside on the stop losses. Nevertheless, we are going to look at the scenario tomorrow being the weekly expiry. So as promised in my video which I posted yesterday, that I'll try and be more regular in my post. So let's quickly get on to the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow's expiry. Now 36,500 has shown to be a pretty tough resistance today. However, if you notice, there is a lower high being made on the downside. Now, where would we take positions tomorrow? I am seeing a gap up opening around 36,500 level. Now, if that sustains and it opens up here, wait for a proper support to be taken, draw another resistance where it comes back to retest the 36,500 level, and once it breaks out, then yes, we can go in for a long position. Again, being expiry, volatility is still high. The VIX is also on the upper side, so we're really not sure as to if we can expect some movements like today, the zigzag, the mountain range today. So on the downside, yes, if it is a flat opening or within 36,500 and 36,300, expect a down move. There can be a down move. There will be a retest on this trend line. I want you to draw this trend line on your charts at the 15-minute time frame. So if it retests, and you will draw a support line over here and also the resistance line over here. Now wherever there is a breakout, if it's here, then wait for it to break out beyond 36,500. If not, if it rejects and starts breaking down, then 36,100 and 35,900 will be your next targets. My positions are strangled basically within this entire range. So tomorrow, if there's a flat opening or even a slight gap up or gap down opening within this range, I'll be happy because there'll be a quick decay in the premiums. I'll probably book my trades before 10 o'clock. Let's get on to Nifty analysis now. Nifty analysis now, the same time frame, 15 minutes, and let's get started. So it had a good gap up opening today. However, there was a little downside and then it just fired up thanks to the movement in Reliance and auto stocks. Some energy stocks also moved very well today. So there was a good upside after opening, but then again zigzag. If you see this, it went up by about almost 100 points, or a little more than 100 points, and then came back down the same 100 points and then went up again to recover and close at a positive level compared to yesterday's closing. However, let's make some important chart lines over here. Okay, not exactly to scale, I'm sorry about that. Let me use this. Yeah, if you see the lines over here, and let's take today's. So it did not even come close. It actually rejected the support line over here. You know, these support lines that were forming before the breakdown. So even it did not even come to that level. So what we're going to do is we are going to watch Nifty 50 at these levels tomorrow. Now, if it breaks, if it opens a gap up above 17,160 and 17,200 will be the first resistance, then followed by 17,240. It's not much of a difference, but then if banking supports, yes, it can go really high. Now, if that does not support and we see a flat opening, then we will have to wait for it to either break out of the upper side or the lower side. Now, if it breaks out the lower side, it retests the trend line, then it could again visit 17,000. 17,000 is a crucial level. That is a round off level If that breaks, then yes, we'll probably see a revisit to 16,840 level as well, which will cause a lot of mayhem because that's quite a drop. Now let's see how the indices perform tomorrow. I'm looking at some support by banking to move Nifty 50 up beyond 17,300. Let's wait and watch tomorrow. I've shown you the levels. All the best for tomorrow's expiry.